Are you saying Croatia lost in the European Championship final in 2018? An error occurred. All right, guys, you've probably heard of ChatGPT. It's the new rage right now. It's a software program. It's AI, and it has conversations with you, and it answers questions. And I've been messing around with it, and so have a lot of people, and a lot of folks are saying how awesome it is. And in some areas, it is really, really good. But I'm just going to show you how bad it is in certain, like, really simple areas by just asking it, like, very simple questions about statistics and so on. And I'm going to do some examples here in the sporting world, and I'm going to show you just how bad it is at just getting very simple statistics right and how it actually contradicts itself. So let's jump in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I started this conversation asking about the European Championships, the UEFA soccer event, and I just asked, give me a list of all the European Championship winners. So it did recognize I was referring to the UEFA European Championship, because there's European Championships in athletics, and I think there's other events that are called European Championships. So it assumed I was talking about the UEFA Championship, which I was. Gives a list here of all the winners, beginning in 1960 with the Soviet Union, and then ending with the last tournament, which is 2020, which was won by Italy. Now, I cross-checked all of these with Wikipedia here, and these are all correct. Now, I know people say Wikipedia is unreliable, and it is in a lot of areas, but when it comes to like sporting statistics and so on, Wikipedia is usually pretty accurate. And I used to be a huge sports fan, so I kind of know a lot of these statistics. So this list is correct. But then I asked it a slightly different question. I asked, give me a list of all the European Championship winners by how many times each country has won. So I'm asking, it's the same question but slightly different. So it's going to give me a list of these countries and the number of times they've won it. And it also is going to give me the year, which I didn't ask for, but it's nice that it includes this. So it just says Germany have won 3 times, Spain 3 times, and so on. But here's where we're going to see a huge problem here, because look at the Germany statistic. So Germany have won it 3 times. Look at the years, 72, 96, and 2020. Now look at this up here. Italy won it in 2020, which is absolutely correct. That was just 2 years ago. It took place in England. Italy beat England on penalties in the final, and a bunch of English soccer fans broke into the stadium, but that's a topic for a different day. But as we can see here, it just completely contradicted itself. It said that Germany won in 2020, when in fact it was Italy. Now let's scroll up here to the correct list. Germany won, West Germany, I should say, won in 72, won in 1980, and it won in 1996. So it got the number of times correct, 3 wins, but it got one of the years wrong. So it skipped 1980, and instead of 1980, it said they won in 2020. Now, if we move on to Spain, this is all correct. Spain have won 3 times, and the years are all correct. Same with France. They won twice, and they got the years correct. And I think the rest of it is correct. I haven't looked at all of them, but the rest of them seem to line up. So here's a big mistake here, Germany winning in 2020. And then I asked another question. When did Croatia win the European Championships? And it starts out saying Croatia has not won the European Championship, and that is absolutely correct. And it just again explains what the European Championship is. Now, it says here, Croatia has participated in the European Championship on 5 occasions, but it has never won the tournament. Croatia's best result was reaching the final of the tournament in 2018, where it lost to France. 2018. Let's go back up to the list here. There is no 2018. ChatGPT is confusing the UEFA European Championships with the World Cup, because in 2018, France defeated Croatia in the 2018 World Cup final. They beat them, I think it was 4-2 in the final. So it's confusing the World Cup for the European Championship here in this question. So already we can see two big basic mistakes here, like just getting basic facts wrong, and easily verifiable soccer statistics here. So now I'm gonna have fun with this. This is where it gets fun. I'm gonna ask it some questions here and see what it says. Okay, so I'm gonna make this statement, but there was no European Championships in 2018, and let's see what they say. You are correct. There was no European Championship in 2018. The European Championship, also known as the UEFA European blah blah blah. So the most prestigious international tournament after the FIFA World Cup. The most recent championship was held in 2016, and the next one is scheduled for 2020. So this is out of date, obviously. Croatia reached the final of the tournament in 2018, where it lost to France. I apologize for the error in my previous response. So it looks like it's making the same mistake again, because it's saying that Croatia reached the final of the tournament, and it's referring to the European Championship. Now, it does mention the World Cup, but it doesn't state here. It mentions European Championship and then this 2018. So again, it realizes it made a mistake, but it doesn't fully correct it. So now I'm going to ask it to clarify. Are you saying Croatia lost in the European Championship final in 2018? An error occurred. Oh my god. I've broken it. Another error. Oh my god. A simple question about soccer statistics, and I've broken it. What's going on, AI? You like don't want to answer the question? Are you trying to convince me that Croatia lost the European Championship final in 2018? And like, I don't know, are you pushing out some crazy conspiracy theory here? Wow. I broke it, guys. A simple soccer statistic. Alright, I'm gonna do tons more videos and this type of stuff and this chat AI stuff. If you wanna have fun with me going through all this, then please subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Also, if you have ideas for subjects, let me know, and we'll just have lots of fun with this, guys. So I promise you that Croatia did not lose to France in the European Championship final in 2018. It was in fact the World Cup final. Okay, so let's see what happens next time in my next conversation. So I'm gonna leave it there for now. So see you all later.